was business as usual on the first day of spring. But things changed to terror as the alarms began to ring. It took only 40 seconds after the sirens blew for the monster to wreck the town as the rooftops flew. It took over 100 years to build a small town, and only seconds for the tornado to tear the buildings down. We will always be watching for funnels in the clouds, but the town came together and it stands again proud. It's been over 20 years and people still remember the day. No one will ever forget that afternoon in March of '98. To this day the wall clock is still stuck on 3:35. It was the time the storm hit as people ran for their lives. It took over 100 years to build a small town, and only seconds for the tornado to tear the buildings down. We will always be watching for funnels in the clouds, but the town came together and it stands again proud. It was over a half-mile wide and was rated as an F3. The 12-mile path was a heartbreaking sight to see. It was a sad day in town as the storm took 2 lives, but was so blessed that everyone else survived. It took over 100 years to build a small town, and only seconds for